Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. I welcome you all to today's session of mathematics, in which we are on to decimals, and we have seen up till now how decimals are written, what is 7 upon 10, what is 7 upon 100, and also we have seen like decimals, right? Like 0.50, see in 8.6, 0.5 is equal to 0.50, and how decimals are spoken, that is 0.5, 0.23, like that. Now we will be studying like and unlike decimals. Decimals having same number of digits in their decimal part are called like decimals, right? 2.02, 15.93. See the decimal part, that is after the decimal. In the first one it is 02, the second one there is 93. All are having two digits in their decimal parts. Decimal having different numbers of digits in their decimal part are called unlike decimals. 7.2, 11.06, they are not. Two unlike decimals can be made like decimal by putting a 0 in the end, or decimal with less number of decimal places. Like suppose these two, 2.75 and 27.6, so we will put a 0 after 6 to make it 27.60. Now it becomes a like decimal to 2.75, as both are having two numbers after the decimal. Now 8.7, tick the correct one. 65.37 and 37.9, they are like decimals or unlike decimal. Right now they are unlike decimals. And the first one there is 0.37, 2 digits, and the second one 0.9, 1 digit. 175.379, see in this one, here there are 0.379, here there are 3 digits, and here there are also 3 digits. So these two are like decimals. Express each of the following pair as like decimal in the space provided. 5.962, 62.97, right? So I'm not going to touch the first one, but the second one I can make it 62.970. I'll add a 0. Now both these will become, this is having 3 digits after the decimal, and 5.962 is also having 3 digits. So now both are become like decimals. Now comparing decimal. In the set of whole number, 10 is less than 100 and 100 is less than 1000. In decimal, a tenth is greater than 100 and a hundredth is greater than 1000, right? Now if we compare 7.05 and 6.95, 7 is greater than 6. So 7.05 is greater than 6.95. But in the second one, 7.05 and 7.14, right? So here 7.14 is greater than 7.05. Now arrange them in ascending order, right? So we will find that just immediately after the decimal, we will see that we have to arrange them into descending order. Sorry, the largest number first and then the smallest. So here we see after decimal 2 places. See, this is the one where I am referring to. See, these two numbers are having 0 after the decimal, so they are the smallest one. Now in these two, see, 0.8, 8 comes before 9, so 8 is the smallest and 0.9 is larger than it. So after this 0 comes 1, so 0.1, and then after 1 is 2. So 0.25 being the largest one will be written first, then 0.013, then 0.095, and then 0.08, right? And so on. Now see, compare each pair using greater than or less than. See the first one, 35.056 and 34.96, right? So 35 is greater than 34. So similarly 35.096 will be greater than 34.96, right? 2.94 and 2.9, always 2.94 will be greater than 2.9, as this is neither 2.9, it is 2.90, and 4 is greater than 0, right? And so on, you will be doing this descending order, right? or ascending order from smallest number to largest number you will write, and then descending largest to smallest. Next we come to the use of decimal, right? This is used in measurement, because 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter, and 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So we will be using these in weights also. 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg, right? Capacity also in liters and milliliters. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 upon 1000 liters, and these things we will be using. In money also, 1 paisa is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. Now in 8.9, write each of the following as decimal: 3 centimeter and 7 millimeter, right? So this will be, we are doing the first one, 3 cm 7 mm. So we get 3 will be the whole number here, and 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 100, 1 upon 10 centimeter. So 7 millimeter will be 7 upon 10, so it will be 3.7 centimeter, right? So similarly it is for the other ones. Let me take write each of the following in centimeter and millimeters. 3.6 centimeter, right? 3.6 centimeter. So it is written in centimeter, we will be writing in millimeter. That is, we will be multiplying them by 10, right? We will be multiplying them with 10, because centimeter is larger than the millimeter, so we will be multiplying it with 10. So now 3.6 centimeter will become 36 millimeter, right? Okay, write each of the following in meter and centimeter. Or rather, see, this will be like this: 3.6 centimeter is equal to 3 centimeter 6 millimeter, right? Similarly it is for this one: 1.75 meter is equal to 1 meter 75 centimeter, right? And this is how you will be doing this exercise, right? Same as for liters and milliliters and all. Now adding and subtracting decimals, it is just like normal addition and subtraction, right? Provided we know how to write it, the main thing is writing it, right? See how it is written here: 5.26 plus 43.625. See how they have written it. They have added 1 0 to make the two as like decimals, and then they have written below and then added it, right? See here, add the following. Let us try some. Okay, I'm doing the third one here: 11.273 plus 0.66. This is given, but I have to make them like decimals, so I am adding a 0 here, and then I will be adding 0 plus 3 is 3, 7 6 13, 3 is 1, 6 2 8 1 9.1 and 1, right? Okay, this is the addition and done, and in the same manner subtraction is also done, right? So now some word problems are there, right? They are equally simple. What should be added to 1.546 to make it equal to 3, right? So what you will be doing it, you will be subtracting 1.546 from 3, right? How you will write? 3.000 and beneath it minus 1.54 and 6, and then subtract 4 here, we carry forward 1, write 9 here, 5 here, 9 here, 4, 1 is carried forward, 1. So the answer will be 1.454, right? Right? This is how you need to do this exercise. Okay, is it clear to you? You just need to convert the two into like fractions, like the decimals, and then you can do it, right? So I stop here now. I hope you liked it as much as I did in making it, and until we meet again, it's a goodbye.